Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple. Oh, we're howling for your success.
That's right. So you have hopefully been able to share some time with us over the course of this event here. And hopefully you saw us do our interactive role playing with us and Ron. Or hopefully you saw our talk about what to say and what to do.
Oh my goodness,
to
so
make
much
big money.
Just voracious notes. We were teaching
Yes.
you all the cutting edge scripts of what
That's
to say
right.
and what to do in this current marketplace.
So we are still going to honor those deals that we talked about during those talks. So what you need to do though is reach out to us, click the button here on our booth and get a hold of us. We really want to talk to you. And in fact, we've been talking and we were even talking about anybody who leaves their information. We're talking about maybe doing like a 15-minute free consultation,
Yes.
business consultation, maybe even a half an hour. Depends on how much questions you have. That's right. So click the button, leave your information. We'll talk to you, but for sure, we would love to talk to you and help you with our what to say or what to say and what to do training, as well as some role
Deals
playing
at
or
a
whatever.
distance, right?
Yes.
Buying and selling in all different states. So any questions you have, go ahead and click that button and we will be talking to you soon.
Until then, guys, keep expecting success.
And taking action.